Bhunti and Sita met a talking tree. One day, Bhunti and Sita were returning home through a forest path. "Sita, this forest is so peaceful." "Yes, indeed, the birds' voices sound so sweet." As they walked, they saw a big old tree. The tree was very large and green. "Wow, what a huge tree!" Suddenly, a voice came from the tree. "Hello, children." Oh, the tree spoke. "This must be a talking tree." "There's no need to be afraid. I am the old guardian of this forest." Bhunti and Sita, amazed, came closer to the tree. "Why are you here all alone?" "There used to be many trees and birds here, but people started littering." "Is that why the forest is sad?" "Yes, my dear. If the forest isn't kept clean, the animals and birds suffer." Just then, Bhunti noticed plastic and trash on the ground. "We'll clean up the forest." Bhunti and Sita started picking up the trash. After a while, other children came too. "We'll help too." Everyone worked together to clean the forest. The forest began to look clean and beautiful again. The birds began chirping happily. "Thank you, children. You saved nature. From now on, we will never litter again. And we'll teach others to keep it clean too." The tree glowed with happiness. Suddenly, small flowers began falling from the tree. "Wow, how beautiful!" From that day on, Bhunti and Sita became true friends of nature. Let's love nature and keep our environment clean.